Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another special unboxing. As you can see here guys, this product here which was sent over from the guys at the company Vebach, and of course Vebach creates cool wireless charging pads. And as you can see here guys, this is another of our series of unboxing related to wireless charging pads. Alright, so I want to thank the guys again over at Vebach for this great gift. Alright, so let's get straight into this, as this will be a honest unboxing based on the product itself. Now this product here has never been unboxed. As you can see, it still has on the plastic wrap, so we're just going to go straight ahead and get it out of its plastic wrapping. Alright guys, so let's get the plastic wrapping off, and I'm just going to remove this quite quickly. And there you go. This product comes in this white box, and as you can see here, it says here their logo and a preview of the product. On these sides there's nothing except the Vebach logo along with the Vebach branding. Now on the back you can see the product information. On the back here it says the model number, which is the C10s, and of course the size here in millimeters, and it gives you a bunch of information including the net weight, which is 178 grams, and it says it works with all Qi compatible wireless devices including the latest iPhone, and of course we'll be checking that out, which is the iPhone 11. And it does say as well iPhone, it says 7.5 watt and Samsung phone 10 watt, and it gives you some more manufacturing information. The color that's seen here is the ceramic white, and it gives you the website at vebach.com. Alright, so we're going to slide this out guys, and of course great presentation right here. I'm just going to fetch this section here. Alright guys, so as you can see here again, we're just going to remove these. Great presentation straight out the back, and it says you're happy, and it gives you some information right here. It says Vebach products are recognized and styled and engineered for performance. Alright, and of course here there's some scannable codes, and it says their official website, and to take you there along with their Facebook page, and of course you can always check those out if you like. Alright, so we have the user guide, and of course I'm just going to put this aside as well. And in the center here we have the product, and of course I have yet to see this. This is the first time seeing it, just like you guys. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to put it right here, and here we have the charge cable, and it seems to be micro USB. Here we have some form of cleaning cloth or microfiber cloth, and this is the hard plastic similar to the Apple product boxes. Now of course this thing is feeling quite firm in the hand, very weighty, and wow, and I'm just loving this. And as you can see here, this is the charge pad itself. So what I'm going to do here is just snap a cool photo, and you can see the accessories right here as well that come inside of the box. Alright, so straight away you can see here the other side around the edges here, you can see where you'd connect your charger, and of course this is the USB section of your charger, and use your phone charger. Should work perfectly outside the box. And as for power delivery, it's mentioned on the box that it delivers charging for Qi enabled devices, and that would be the iPhone along with the Samsung devices. Alright guys, so I'm going to use my charger here. It's a fast charger, but it should still work, as the draw should only take what's needed. So I'm just going to take this, I'm going to connect it. Alright guys, so we have everything set up. My charger is ready right here, and let's just zoom in and check out this product again. So let's go right here. Let me just cut in, and as you can see here guys, the product is quite ready. Now for the most satisfying part of this setup, we're just going to remove this from the pad right here. There you go, so satisfying. Alright, so we have removed that, and I've connected this to my charger, and of course I'm going to use my Samsung here, and the Samsung device in question that I'm going to use for the quick test is the Samsung Galaxy S8, and of course this is the one I have handy right now. So I'm going to try this out to see if it charges. So I'm going to go ahead. There you go, perfectly. So of course the S 8 is a Qi-enabled device. Notice it charges right away, and in case you want to see, you can see the lightning indicator right there. Perfect. All right, next we're going to try out the iPhone 11. So let me just go back to the other lens. All right, so here we have over here the iPhone 11 unlocked, and of course it says I have 59% battery. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place this on the charge pad. So let me remove this device right here. I'm gonna put that aside, and of course 59%. Here we go. There you go. You felt the vibration, and there you go as well. You can see the battery right there, and it shows that it's charging, and it does show it's wirelessly charging. Perfect. So let's see. So it's at 59% and shows charging, and as you can see here, everything is being done wirelessly. So I can even remove this from the charge pad again in case you missed it. There you go. And a slight vibration, and it works. Alright guys, so let me just go through this review. So as you saw, the unboxing and of course the review portion. Alright, first of all, I'll talk about the things I like and what I don't like. So first of all, I like that this is highly compatible with various devices such as the Samsung Galaxy S8, S9, S10 and so on. And of course it supports the latest version of the Apple products, which is the iPhone 11. So the iPhone 11 works flawlessly. So this will work with any Qi-enabled device, which works straight out of the box, as you saw earlier. And of course, I'm liking the high performance in terms of charging. It does deliver great power. And again, I like the fact that this is built out of metal. It's very sturdy in hand, or ceramic, I think this is the case. And of course, I love the pad here with their logo, not a big old name, but of course the small and convenient logo at the center. I also love that this area here is very glossy and nice looking. And of course, they also included a cleaning cloth, as this can get a little bit smudged. All right, it does come with a USB cable, which is very convenient. The only thing you'll need is a adapter from your phone. And of course, the build quality of this thing is very, very good. So the guys over at Vebach did a very solid job. So I would highly recommend this product. Now, things I do not like. As I said, I wish they would have included their own adapter brick. But of course, not really a big con, since you do get every smartphone with a adapter brick, which can just be used. So that's not a biggie. Next thing, guys, that I like or dislike about this product so far, I wish that there was some form of LEDs that would have actually added to the aesthetics of this. So maybe that's something that Vebach can add in the future. LEDs are always nice to indicate when the product is on or when power is being delivered. All right, so that would have been a nice touch, especially at night if this thing is on a desk or stand. Having a wireless charging pad would have done very nicely in terms of that. And of course, on the side of things I like, I almost forgot the presentation. So this product is well presented. So they did a very solid job in terms of presenting the product. And of course, guys, this is just it. This is a great Qi-enabled wireless charger that I highly recommend, especially for Apple products. You can charge your devices and without worrying. All right, guys, as usual, this is Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, going into the details of this Vebach based product. I want to thank the guys over at Vebach again. And of course, guys, if you're out there watching and you have a product to review, you can actually send yours in. We'll gladly review it for you on the channel here. And of course, we love tech, and every day we review lots and lots of tech. Alright guys, this is Ricardo Gardner as usual, saying bye until the next time we meet. Bye guys.